Hello there, math whizzes and problem solvers. Welcome to our math quiz challenge. Today, we're diving into a world of numbers, equations, and brain teasers that will put your mathematical skills to the test. Let the math quiz begin. Task 1. What is 5 plus 3? 8. What is 10 minus 4? 6. What is 12 plus 7? 19. What is 15 minus 8? 7. What is 20 plus 9? 29. What is 14 minus 6? 8. What is 6 plus 4? 10. What is 25 minus 12? 13. What is 30 plus 5? 35. What is 18 minus 9? 9. What is 7 plus 2? 9. What is 14 minus 5? 9. What is 9 plus 6? 15. What is 20 minus 6? 14. What is 23 plus 4? 27. What is 11 minus 3? 8. What is 17 plus 8? 25. What is 22 minus 10? 12. What is 28 plus 3? 31. What is 16 minus 7? 9. What is 14 plus 9? 23. What is 18 minus 4? 14. What is 21 plus 6? 27. What is 10 minus 2? 8. What is 26 plus 5? 31. What is 13 minus 6? 7. What is 8 plus 7? 15. What is 19 minus 9? 10. What is 24 plus 3? 27. What is 11 minus 4? 7. Did you had fun? Hit that subscribe button and never miss a chance to boost your math skills. Stay tuned for more brain-teasing quizzes coming your way.